Very good afternoon here from Phil Weaver Automotive in Merebrow in Preston, and we have this gorgeous 2016 Mercedes SLK convertible with just 18,700 miles. It's the SLK250, the more powerful diesel engine with a latest 9-speed automatic gearbox. Yes, it's the 9-speed auto box. Also available with this vehicle is these nice hybrid black, freshly sandblasted and powder coated wheels, which absolutely turn the car into a stunning looking vehicle. Finished in the grey metallic with black leather, heated seats with a neck scarf, and red inserts to this, well, red seat belts, and also red stitching to the steering wheel and the seats themselves. So a beautiful car, freshly serviced, and it's ready to go with our free UK delivery. We'll deliver the car free to your home or office anywhere inside the country, and we've been established approaching 30 years and have over 200 plus 5-star Facebook, Auto Trader and Google reviews. Philip is open 7 days a week. We just ask that at the weekends you telephone ahead before you travel. And this vehicle has just had a full service, including air, pollen and oil with oils, and is ready to go. We take you into the vehicle. You'll notice that it has the LED daylight front running lights, and it's probably one of the best colour combinations you could have, the grey and the black, and with this having the wheels refurbished. I'll take you into one of the wheels now and just show you that. Stunning in this hybrid black, absolutely stunning. It has matching tyres. Now there's a pardon me, there's a piece of dust inside the lens of the video, and we're going to send it off next week to be cleaned. But to the right hand side of the screen you will see a black dot. It's nothing to do with the car, it's to do with the lens for the video, so my apologies. It's got front and rear park assist. Mercedes call it Parktronic. It's got a wing deflector just there, and if I just straighten the wheels, steering wheel, and just briefly show you inside the car just how nice it is. Gorgeous car. That is your neck scarf heating, and you've got a heated base seat as well. 9-speed gearbox, Bluetooth telephone. It's also satellite navigation compatible. You can buy yourself a Becker satellite navigation, either brand new from Mercedes, or look on eBay for a unit. They're under £200, and it will push straight into the glove box, and you'll be able to then use navigation. It's all been enabled. Tiptronic controls, plus and minus. Air conditioning as well. This is the 9-speed gearbox, absolute work of art. Electronically you can switch it between economy, manual and sport modes. This is your wheel that controls the information from the screen here. You've also got a multi-disc CD player, so you can fit 5 or 6 discs in at once. You can control your telephone from here or from the steering wheel, such as here. You've got a digital, 18,771 miles. Before I jump into something else, let me just show you the digital speedometer, which is there. It's very useful if you're using the car in a restricted speed area on the highway or the motorway. There is your cruise and speed limiter. Just an altogether a very, very nice car. Absolutely stunning. That is your console there, which houses the roof, and I'll give you a demonstration of that in a moment. And then you have also USB and AUX ports inside here. 12-volt power socket just there. I just bring my leg in, and so if we're going to just demonstrate to you the roof, let's just give you that. So we press down on that and the boot is opening, and then the roof panel comes up and over. See that coming now, there she is. It takes about 18 seconds and that's telling you that it's done. So there we go, that's all done. So it's got a rather unique, so you've got a manual handbrake as well, which I'm just going to, so I've taken the handbrake off. Now, assuming we're in drive, which we are now in drive, you'll see drive 1 just at the top there. You go forward, come to a stop, and what you do now is just press down the brake pedal and it puts hold up there. Can you see that hold? So you're at the traffic lights or a junction, you don't have to put your foot on the brake constantly, you just press down sharply on the brake pedal, it brings it into hold. You engage the accelerator when the traffic is moving. I'll just show you. So I'm just going to engage the accelerator, and the car's going forward. And it's a beautiful day, as you can see by the brightness of the sun. Into reverse. And that's the unique hold position, which is very, very helpful when you're at traffic lights or there's slow moving traffic, or the stationary traffic, sorry. If you're in D for drive, you move forward, you spring the car to a stop from the vehicle in front, you just jab the brake, and then you see the hold just there. So that's a very, very good, useful feature of this vehicle. Just quickly show you the heated seats. Just there they are, they're the heated seats. That's neck scarf heating. There's 3 positions. You've got stop start, you can override that. There's your traction control, hazards, same for the passenger. Just a beautiful car, absolutely gorgeous car. I may have said that a few times already, but it is a beautiful, beautiful car. So there we go, this is our 2016 on a 16 plate 18,900 mile SLK250 AMG Sport with neck scarf heating, seat heating, front and rear park assist, Bluetooth telephone. We're ready to go now from Phil Weaver Automotive. Finance, part exchange and free delivery are all available. Well, have a fabulous day, and we hope to hear off you very, very soon indeed.